Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Geek for another SQL video. So today in this video we are going to solve Japanese cities attribute question on HackerRank. So in the question we have to query all the attributes from the city which is a Japanese city, and the country code for Japan is JPN, it is given to us. So now let's first look at the city table. So in the city table we have five fields: the ID of the field, ID of the city. So in the city table we have five fields: ID, which represent the ID of the city, unique ID, and the type of ID is number, then the name of the city, which is of varchar type, and its characters can be limited up to maximum 17. Country code, which is a varchar or string type character, and maximum its maximum limitation is three characters. So a country code can be up to max three characters. It can be IND, USA, RUS, but cannot be INDI or something. So it's limited to max three characters. District, same varchar type, limited to 20 characters. And the population, which is of type number. So from the city table, we want all the attributes. By all attributes, it means that we want the ID, name, country code, district, and population, all five attributes or all five columns from the city table for every Japanese city. So how do we identify that the city is a Japanese? We can identify it by the country code. So for Japanese city, we have given that the country code is JPN. So now let's write the query for this. So first slide the select close. So in select, we want to retrieve all attributes, and to retrieve all attributes, we can simply use asterisk. So asterisk means we want to retrieve everything from the database. Now from close. So now in from close we mention the table from where we want to retrieve our data. So here the table we want our data from is city table. So I mention the name of the table here. So I select star means I want everything from table name city. Now there is a condition that the city need to be Japanese city. And to get this city, I have to apply a condition on this field country code field that the country code need to be JPN. So to apply the condition in SQL, we use where clause. So where now the condition is applied on this column country code. So I write it here country code equal to operator is used, and the code need to be equal to JPN. So this is the column on which or the attribute on which we have applied our condition in where clause country code, which need to be JPN because it is given in our question that the for Japan it is JPN, and we want only these Japanese cities. So now we are getting all attributes from city table where our country code equal to Japan. JPN means country equal to countries are Japan city. Now asterisk at the end of the query. So let's run the query. Okay, so query is executed successfully, and as you can see here, the data that we get from our database in all the rows, our city code, country code is JPN, meaning all the cities are Japanese cities. Okay, so now let's submit the code. Okay, so code is submitted successfully. So this is our final query, guys. Here we have selected all attributes, select all attributes for city from city table for Japanese cities only. So Japanese city meaning the country code for the city is JPN, which we have applied the same condition here in our where clause that the country code equal to JPN. So thank you guys. That's it for today's question. I hope you understood the logic and approach clearly. You can copy the complete code from the link given in the description. If you click on the link, you will be redirected to our website from where you can directly copy the code. So thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such SQL problems.